Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to virtual learning. I hope you are fine, students. In the last class, we have done introduction of Surah Anfal and we translated the ayat of Surah Anfal from 1 to 5. Today, we are going to translate ayat from 6 to 10 and we will do the exercise of the lesson 1. And this is your 13th lecture of Islamic Studies. Ayat number 6. We are going to translate the ayat number 6. Yujadilunaka. Yujadilu. They were disputing. Yujadil, disputing. Ka, with you. They dispute with you. Fil haqqi, fi, about the haqqi, truth. They were disputing with you about the truth. Bada, after it, ma tabayyana, it had been made clear. Tabayyana means clear. Ka'annama, as if, yusakuna, they were driven, ilal moti, to death. Wahum, and they, yanzurun, and they were looking at it. We revise this ayat. Yujadilunaka. They were dispute with you. Ka mean you. Yujadilu, they dispute ka with you. Fil haqqi, about the truth. They dispute with you about the truth. Bada, after it. Bad ma tabayyana, it had been made clear or manifest. Ka'annama, as if. Ka'annama, as if, just as yusakuna, they were being driven ilal moti, to death. They behaved like that they are being driven to death. Wahum yanzurun, and they were actually yanzurun, looking at it. After this, we will translate the ayat number 7 of Surah Anfal. Ayat 7. Wa is, wa, and is, when. Yu'idukumullahu, yu'idukum, make promise, kum, with you. Allahu, Allah. And when Allah promised you, ihda, that one, taifa, tani, that one of the two groups, annaha, will be lakum, with you. Which were the two groups? The groups of Abu Sufyan and Abu Jahl. There were two groups in Makkah. So Allah promised with you that one group will be with you. Watawadduna, and watawadduna, and tawadduna, you wished. Ta mean you. Watawadduna, and you wished. Anna, that. Ghaira mean without. Zati shakoti, without the weapons, mean without the weapons, mean powerless. Group, ta, takunu, will, lakum, with you. And you wish that the powerless group will be with you, join you. Wow, and yuridallahu, and Allah desires. Yuridallahu, Allah wished, Allah desired. An yuhakkal hakka, and Allah desires to verify the truth. Bi kalimatihi, be with kalimatihi, with his kalmat mean by his words. Wa yakta, and yakta mean cut off. Dabira, roots. Dabir al kafirin, the roots of the disbelievers. Now we are going to revise this ayat. Wise Yaidu kumullahu, and when Allah promised with you, ihda, one, taifatani, one from the two groups, annaha lakum, will be with you. With you mean will be your supporter group. Watawadduna, and you wished. Anna Gaira Zati Shakoti, and you want that the powerless group will be Takunu Lakum, will be with you. Var yuridallahu, but Allah willed an yahakul hakka. Allah willed to cause the truth to prevail. Wa bikalimatihi, by his words. Wa yakta, and cut off the Dabir al Kafirin, and Allah wants to cut off the roots of the disbelievers. What is the meaning of this one? That Allah wants to cut the roots of the disbeliever, just like there is a plant. If we will cut the plant from the root, then the plant will be die. Then no more the plant can grow. Like this one, Allah want to cut the infidels by the roots. That Allah wants that the Islam will be prevail on all the world, and Allah want to finish the disbelievers. Okay. After the ayat number 7, we are going to do ayat 8. Moving forward to the next. Ayat 8. Li yuhakkal hakka. Li, so that, yuhakkal hakka, so he might justify the truth. Vayubtilal batila, and prove the falsehood to be false. Walo karihal mujrimun. Walo, and even though, kariha, be distasteful, mujrimun, who are guilty. Even it may be distasteful for those who are mujrimun, who are mujram, who are guilty. We will revise this ayat. Li yuhakkil hakka. Li, so that, yuhakkil hakka, so he might, he mean Allah might to justify the hak mean truth. Vayubtila mean batil, mean falsehood. Vayubtilal batila, and prove the falsehood to be false. Walo, even though, karihal mujrimun, and it may be distasteful, don't like, mujrimun, who are guilty. Who are guilty people, they will don't like it. Ayat 9. Ayat 9 is mean when. Tustagisuna when you were calling Rabbakum of your Lord. Fastajaba, he answered. Lakum, you, he answered you. Inni, I, mumiddukum, help kum, you, I will help you. Bi alfin, with the 1,000. Minal mulaikati, from angels. Murdifin, they will come one after the other in ranks. Is tastagisuna, in this ayat Allah said, remember when you sought the help of your Lord. Is tastagisuna rabbakum, when you were weak on earth and when you were calling to your Lord for your help. Fastajaba, then Allah responded. Lakum, you. This is about the Battle of Badr, when the Muslims were few. Muslims were only 313 and the Kuffars were greater in strength. So Allah said, remember that time when you were calling for help to your Lord. Fastajaba, then Allah responded. Lakum, you. That time Allah responded, you. Inni, I, mubiddukum, I will help you. Bi alfin, with a 1,000. Minal mulaikati, angels. Murdifin, and that angels will come in ranks, one after the other. Okay, murdifin mean one after the other in ranks, mean following one another. Going on to the next. Ayat 10. Wama ja'alallahu, and was only a divine inspiration. Illa bushra, only tatma'inna bihi. This ayat is relevant with the previous ayat. Allah said that the promise of help. What was the promise of help? That Allah promised with the believers that Allah will help them with 1,000 angels. So it was Mama Jalallahu illa Bushra Walli Tatma Inna Bihi Kalubukum. And it was just only a divine inspiration, illa bushra, so that they get pleasure, walitatma inna, so get comfort, bihi, with it, kalubukum, your kalub, your hearts, so that your hearts might get comfort and confidence. Wama nasru illa min indallahi. Wama, ma mean not. Va and ma, there is no nasru, help, illa, except, min indallahi, only from Allah. Innallaha, indeed Allah Azizun is mighty, Hakim wise. We revise this ayat. Wama jalallahu, and it was only a illa bushra is a divine inspiration, lati tatmainna, so that get the comfort, bihi kalubukum, so your hearts get comfort and confidence from this help. Wama nasru, and there is no help illa min indillahi, except Allah. Inna Allah, no doubt Allah, Azizun Hakim, Allah is mighty and wise. Student, this was the last ayat of the lesson number 2. So this our 1 to 10 ayat are completed now. After this one, we will do the words meaning, words and compounds. You have to learn the meanings of these words carefully. These words will come in the MCQs like this one. What does mean anfal? What does mean wajilat? There will be 4 options. You have to choose the correct option. One option. Anfalu mean booty, spoils of war. Aslihu zata bainikum. Reconcile the matter of your difference. Wajilat, feel fear. Tuliyat, are recited. Number 5, yatawakkalun, they trust in God. Yatawakkalun, they trust. Yunfikun, yunfikuna, they spend. Karihun, aversion, strong dislike. Yusakuna, they are driven. Ihda, one. Taifatani, from 2 parties. Tawadduna, you wished. Tawadduna mean you wished. Next word is tastaghisuna, you called. Tastaghisuna, when you called for help. Alfin, 1,000. Murdifina, one after the other in ranks. Azizun Hakim, Aziz mean mighty, Hakim wise. Allah is mighty and wise. Next. Yes, after the words meaning, these are question answers, exercises. Answer these questions. There are 5 questions here, but we will do question number 1 and 4 and 5. Okay, please take your pen or pencils and you have to take that. We will write the answers. We will write the answers of only 2 questions, question number 1 and question number 4, and we will do the 5 which you did in the lesson. You will translate these ayat. Question number 1. What qualities of believers have been described in Surah Anfal? And the next question which we will do is, which 2 groups are referred to in Ayah 7 of Surah Anfal? Okay. These are ayat. You have to translate. Fattakullaha, fattakullaha, So fear Allah. Waslihu, and remove Zata bainikum, which you matters of differences among yourselves. You should remove that. Wa'atiullaha, and obey Allah. Wa rasulahu, and His Prophet. In kuntum mu'minin, if you are believers. Next one, ayat number 2. Wa'iza, and when tuliyat are recited, alayhim, before them, ayatuhu, his revelations. And when his revelations are recited on them, zadathum imanan, zadathum ziyada, increased, imanan, their iman, strengthened, وَعَلَى رَبِّهِمْ, and on their Lord, يَتَوَكَّلُونَ, they have trust on their Lord. Number 3, لَهُمْ دَرَجَاتٌ عِنْدَ رَبِّهِمْ وَمَغْفِرَاتٌ وَرِزْقٌ كَرِيمٌ. Lahum, for them, darajatun, they are grades, in the Rabbihim, with their Lord, wa magfiratun, and forgiveness, wa rizqun kareem, and honorable provision. Ayat number 4, li yuhaqqil haqqa, so Allah might prove the truth, wa yubtilul batila, and make the falsehood to be false, walau kariha, and even dislike mujrimun, dislike those people who are guilty. Okay, we will do question number 1, 2, and 5. Next, questions and answers. Question number 1. What qualities of believers have been described in Surah An-Fal? Answer. The qualities of believers are mentioned below. Quality number 1. There are 5 qualities of believers. Quality number 1. The true believers are those whose hearts feel fear when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioned. Number 2. When Allah's revelations are recited, their faith is strengthened. Number 3, quality number 3, they have trust in their Lord. They have trust in their Lord. Number 4, they are the believers who establish prayers. They are the true believers who establish their daily 5 prayers. Number 5, the believers spend of that we have given them for sustenance. So how many qualities are mentioned in Surah An-Fal? 5 qualities. These are the 5 qualities of believers. Okay. Now we will do the next question. Which 2 groups are referred to in Ayah 7 of Surah An-Fal? Answer. The first one was the caravan of goods led by Abu Sufyan. So this group was coming from Syria, going to Mecca. This group was coming back from Syria and going to Mecca back. The second group was the army of Abu Jahl, coming from Mecca to defend the caravan of Abu Sufyan with 1,000 men fully equipped, but Abu Sufyan changed his route and safely reached Makkah. Later, Abu Jahl's group and the Muslims' army met each other and Battle of Badr was fought. Yes, students, this our lesson 2. Lesson 2 is completed today. We have done the ayat 1 to 10 and we finished the exercise, words meaning and 2 questions with their answers. Okay, so thanks for watching and paying attention. You have to revise your syllabus carefully. Okay, I will see you in your next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.